In the ever-competitive landscape of mid-sized trucks, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline stands tall, challenging norms with its unibody construction and a plethora of features designed to enhance both utility and comfort. As it gears up for the new model year, Honda's flagship pickup continues its legacy, maintaining its well-rounded formula while embracing subtle enhancements. Bucking the trend of traditional body-on-frame trucks, the Honda Ridgeline boasts unibody construction paired with a fully independent suspension. This unique approach translates into a smoother and more enjoyable driving experience, setting it apart from its rivals like the Chevrolet Colorado, Ford Ranger, and Toyota Tacoma. While its towing capacity may not match the competition, the Ridgeline compensates with nimble handling and a robust V6 engine. The 2025 Ridgeline inherits the practicality-focused updates introduced in the previous year, including a spacious underfloor storage area in its modest 5-foot bed. This versatile space doubles as an ice chest, catering to outdoor enthusiasts and urban adventurers alike. Moreover, enhancements to the interior, such as larger screens and wireless mobile device mirroring, elevate the cabin experience, making every journey more enjoyable. For off-road enthusiasts, the Trail Sport trim promises enhanced capabilities with upgraded tires, a suspension lift, and underbody protection. While it may not rival specialized off-roaders, the Ridgeline Trail Sport offers enough prowess to tackle soft-roading adventures with confidence. Equipped with the Honda Sensing Suite, the 2025 Ridgeline prioritizes safety with features like automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. Furthermore, the infotainment system receives an upgrade with a 9.0-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android capability, and standard wireless charging, ensuring connectivity on the go. While anticipation brews for the next-generation Ridgeline, the 2025 model maintains its relevance with a blend of innovation and practicality. Despite its modest towing capacity, the Ridgeline's clever features and comfortable ride make it a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile and refined pickup truck. The 2025 Honda Ridgeline continues to defy expectations, offering a refreshing alternative in the competitive mid-size truck segment. With its unique design, practical features, and focus on comfort and convenience, it proves that utility and enjoyment need not be mutually exclusive in a pickup truck.